Should I set up a brand campaign in Google Ads? That's another question that I get asked very commonly. Now, I want to answer that question about setting up a branded campaign in Google Ads. Is it worth it? What's the right thing to do? Before I do continue, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm a Google Ads expert. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications, so when I do have new content, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you have got any questions about Google Ads, drop them in the comments below. Now here we go. Should you be implementing a brand campaign in your Google Ads account? So what a brand campaign is, it's using your brand as a keyword within the keywords that you set up within your ad groups. So in other words, that mine is AjayDhunna, my marketing agency is AjayDhunna Digital. So hey, do I really want to bid on the term AjayDhunna Digital or even Digital Search Academy, right? Now here's how to make some decisions or some thoughts. If you Google your own brand key term and you find that you're the only one there within the sponsored section, within the top section, and nobody else is bidding for you, then you got no need to, because organically you should be number one anyway, because it is your brand main brand keyword. If however you find that other people are bidding against your keyword, then that's the point that you need to start considering whether you need to be branded, you need to be bidding against your keyword. Because what will happen is that if people are bidding against your keyword, right, their conversion rate may be lower because they're going to have to pay more cost per click, and people are not ultimately looking for them, they're looking for you, right? So even though there's that element, they may still be stealing a small slice of your business. And depending on your business value, that could mean a lot to you, or it could mean it's nothing because it's a very small value. So if you find that people are bidding against your term and you're nowhere to be seen, then I think you seriously need to start considering implementing a brand campaign using your brand keywords. Now, having said that, I recently ran a campaign for a very big automotive company, and we did an experiment. So we had we were using our brand keyword. I can't mention the brand, and for a period of time we switched off the branding, and then everyone was like, oh my god, what's going to happen here? We're going to lose so much business, right? In actual fact, what happened is as follows: their revenue fell, right? So the amount of sales they were making fell, right, by quite a decent amount. And then initially everyone was like, oh my god, look at this, right? We've dropped the brand campaign, and therefore our sales have gone down and everything else is we're losing out. However, when we analyzed the figures, what we found is that the amount that we were spending on Google Ads for that brand term was significantly higher compared to the revenue that we were generating. So but basically, by not having the brand term, we were saving out on all that money, all that cost we were saving out on. So even though it looked like we were making less profit, we were actually making more profit, because now we were getting sales from other keywords which our brand supported, and as well as our brand keyword also being supported in the organic section of Google. So it does require a bit of experimenting. So all in all, so as a summary, you need to be implementing a brand campaign to protect your brand if you feel that other people are bidding against your brand. But if they're not, you got no need to. And if you have got a branded campaign, consider switching it off for a period of time as an experiment, and then see what what savings you've made by not having to spend that money on Google compared to the revenue that you've generated. So I hope that answers your question. It is a very short video, but I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and if I do create a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. At the same time, there'll be a link in the description below, and there's a link to this book here, How to Win Customers with Google Ads. You can have it shipped right to your door for free. The only thing you got to cover is the postage and packaging, and it'll tell you everything that you need to know about how to create successful Google Ads campaigns right from the beginning, and you can cut out all the guesswork. I hope that helps, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Goodbye for now.